Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that's making some waves. The 4K Professional GPS drone. This isn't just any drone. It's packed with features designed for both aspiring aerial photographers and seasoned pilots. Right off the bat, the build quality feels solid, and the gray finish gives it a professional look. Its dimensions, roughly 11.8 by 10.6 by 2.3 inches when unfolded, make it substantial yet manageable. One of the headline features is the camera system. It boasts 4K resolution for video and captures impressive 12-megapixel still photos. What really sets it apart is the 3-axis gimbal. This is crucial for getting that buttery smooth, professional-looking footage, even when the drone is moving or facing windy conditions. Coupled with the camera is a 3x zoom capability, allowing you to get closer to your subject without having to fly right up to it. Transmission range is another area where this drone shines. With 5G Wi-Fi and a claimed 16-kilometer HD video transmission range, you can explore vast areas and maintain a clear view of what the camera sees from a significant distance. This kind of range opens up a lot of possibilities for exploration and capturing expansive landscapes. Powering this drone are two included 5,000 milliamp hours batteries. Having two batteries right in the box is a huge plus, effectively doubling your potential flight time and allowing for extended shooting sessions without needing to rush back to recharge. The design is clearly aimed at prolonged usability, which is great for longer projects or just enjoying more flight time. For ease of use, the drone is described as beginner-friendly, while still offering the features professionals demand. It's app-controlled, which is standard these days, making flight control and accessing camera settings straightforward. A standout feature for dynamic shooting is the ATVT 3.5 visual active tracking. This allows the drone to intelligently follow a designated subject, keeping them centered in the frame automatically. Perfect for capturing action shots or tracking vehicles. Overall, this 4K professional GPS drone presents itself as a versatile tool for aerial photography, videography, and general exploration. With its high-quality camera, stable gimbal, impressive range, long battery life thanks to the two included packs, and intelligent tracking features, it seems well-equipped to handle a variety of tasks for users of different skill levels. It aims to provide professional-grade capabilities in a user-friendly package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.